live like a king. 617, I step hard, ain't built like me. 617, I sell y'all a bunch of fiends. 617, I bet y'all ain't built like me. Listen, nobody wants smoke, nobody.
What's going on, YouTube? Back at y'all with another video. Yes, I did get a haircut, got myself cleaned up. I look a little bit different, but that's all good. But today's video is gonna be changing up the rear view mirror and getting a dash cam installed. So let's get into this video. So guys, like I said, I did get a dash cam. Now I'm gonna show you. I ordered it from Amazon. I'm gonna show you the dash cam I got here. It's a Van True one. So this is it right here. Around for y'all. Van True dash cam ultimate driving partner. So it is one for the front and also one for the rear. So it's gonna cover all of the front, it's gonna cover all the back. This is just a box for it. Haven't even opened it up, but this is that. This is kind of what it looks like right there. Don't know if I have it on the right side, don't even know yet, but 1080p front, 1080p rear. It's got an LCD screen, and it's gonna be hardwired to the engine. So if someone were to hit my car while it is parked, it will capture a 10-second or 15-second clip. It's a dash cam hardwire kit. This is what that is for. So that's also a good thing to have. And also just a memory chip. Got a 256 one because they didn't have a 128 one or 126 one. So whatever, 256 gigs. At least I know everything will be captured. Got it. You know what I mean? So that's all that. That's the Van True. So show you the dash cam. I mean, not the dash cam. The rear view mirror. So this is a Gentex one. Got it off eBay actually. Let me open it up real quick. It's a Gentex one. You can kind of see it. Where'd it go? Right there. It's a Gentex one. It's an auto dimming mirror, and like I said, get it out here. This is it right here. This is a whole mirror. So as you guys can see, it is a lot bigger than the normal one. So I'll actually have a better view, a wider view coming out from the back, and it will just be right here. That's gonna be where the compass is, and it's gonna be this color right here. This amber, orange, whatever you want to call it, it'll be that color, so it'll match the whole car's layup. And I think this is actually a really good thing to have, so you don't have to keep, flipping this back and forth. You don't have to keep doing that. It also gives a wider view and tells you which direction you're going in, which is a pretty neat. I like it. So I'm not going to be installing this myself. I'm actually going to a garage to get it installed because I'm not good with wiring and doing all this. So I'm gonna just pay the guy to have it done correct. And I'm sorry if y'all wanted me to show you how to do it. I'm not really good with stuff like that, but I'll definitely show you. I showed you the before, and I'll show you the after, just to show you what it all looks like. And I'll give you another look here. So this is what the whole thing looks like, the whole setup with it. I don't even know if I can get it, kinda. Okay, let me turn this on and just the heated seats, so you can't even see it in this angle, but this is what that looks like. And yeah, so I'm gonna go to the bank right now to get some money out, and then I'm dropping the car off. It should be done later today. I'll get a text when it's ready, and I'll go pick it up, and that's when I'll show you guys what everything looks like. So I'll see y'all later when everything's done. What's going on, y'all? I am back. It's later in the day, same day, and the rear view mirror and the dash cam have been installed. Now, I didn't do it myself because, like I said earlier, I don't know how to do it. I'm not good with wiring. Yes, I could learn, but I don't want to mess anything up. I don't want to break anything. I just don't want to take that chance, so I did pay for it. I paid $335 to get it done. So, yeah, it ran me a little bit of money, but that's all right. So, I'm going to show you guys now what it looks like. So, this right here is the mirror. As you guys can see, like I said, it's an auto dimming one, so I don't have to do anything. The green light is on, dimming's on. Push this button, that means the compass turns on. But the dimming, it will dim by itself automatically when a light is shined into it. And like I said, It shows what direction you're going in. So right now we're facing southeast, so that's that. We're facing southeast. It auto dims, like I said. So the dude, I don't know if you guys can see it. I probably have to move this whole camera, but if you see this, my man had to carve this whole piece. He had to carve this whole piece like with a Dremel, just so this piece could fit in there. And I had to get a cube thing to put underneath this stick so it actually fits. But he had to Dremel this piece so this whole square could fit in. But yeah, man, it's auto dimming mirror, and like I said, the view is definitely a lot bigger, a lot wider, and I definitely like that. So, right now we're facing east now, I guess. So, whatever way we are, probably got to recalibrate it. The way to recalibrate is just go in a circle 3 times and it'll be calibrated. So, I'll do that later on, but so that's the rear view mirror. Now, this right here, it's off right now because I'm parked, but this right here is the dash cam. If it stays on. Don't know why it's not staying off. Alright, this right here is the dash cam. As you guys can see, it's a Van True one. I told you guys earlier. It's recording now. So it does have an LCD screen, and it's hardwired. Like I said, he got it running through the liner, so you can't see anything else. You only see the wires from here. That's fine. But it's got an LCD screen. This is a camera right here. You can't really see it from here. But this square right here, that's for the back, and the rest is for the front. So it does record. It's doing good. I put in the memory chip. To that slot right there. I got that going, and you guys can see the back one is right there. I'm gonna go into the back real quick to show you guys. Don't mind all this trash. This is all trash from it, but this right here is the rear view one. If it can focus on it, it's not focusing. I'm sick. It's focusing on the background rather than what I want it to focus on. Man. So this is it right here. You guys can't even see it. Don't know why it's there. We go. So this is the Van True rear cam. As you guys can see, the red light is on, which means that it is recording. And like I said, the wire right there. It's a Van True one. There's a knob right here, so I can angle the camera. Right now it's angled, so I don't really want to mess with it because it's angled right now. So this is the rear one, and like I said, it's front and rear, so the full car is protected. This is a view from the back here. It's all blurry. There we go. I'll straighten that out. But that's the dash cam, as you guys can also see, and I think it looks great, to be honest. I think these two, the dash cam is definitely going to help me just for accidents and stuff like that. And the rear view mirror, that's for just whenever the lights shine, it auto dims by itself, so it doesn't really blind me as much, which is a very good thing. And I don't have to keep flipping it back and forth from day to night time, and it gives me a wider view, which is also why I liked it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I know I didn't show you guys the install like I said because I don't know how to do it, but hopefully you guys did enjoy this. I gave you the before, I gave you the after. I think it looks a lot better. I obviously got to set up the rear view mirror again, but I'll show you guys that later on. You guys will see it in the point of view drivings and all that. But that's really it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
4 blunts, some more Ivy. Hey, ball pocket in the corner. I called it, place your bets. I'll raise them, bitch. Show been plotting my heavy.